everyone, welcome to your last bite-sized PD of the 2021-2022 school year. I'm Katie, your K-12 instructional coach with BNLT. This week's episode, we have some tips and tricks with Google Slides. Google Slides is our most useful tool. I'm hoping that you have seen throughout this year with all of the bites in the past year that Google Slides is actually a super versatile tool. So let's check it out. Thank you so much for listening and checking out all our bite-sized PDs. If you missed a few and you want to catch up, feel free to check out our YouTube channel. There's also more information and how-to videos on our Modern Learning website. Until next year, take care, and I hope you enjoy a well-deserved break.